Cutting sweet potatoes is really the same as cutting your standard russet potato. So I'm not going to show you how to cut those sticks and dices since we already reviewed it. Just know that sweet potatoes are harder, so it will require a little bit more force with your knife, but they're also not as sticky as the standard white potato. We wanted to show you, however, one other way to consider when cooking your sweet potatoes. So I'm going to create some sweet potato sticks or quarters. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut off my ends. Get rid of those. I've got a trash can right here. And then I am going to create a flat surface. So remember, I'm going to cut off just a little bit of the bottom, just shaving a tiny bit to get a nice flat surface that's stabilized. Okay. Now I'm going to take my sweet potato and cut it in half lengthwise. Can you tell how it's harder? Notice I'm not forcing too much. I'm removing my knife, going back out and back in to get it sliced. Okay, now I've got my two halves, and I can either now cut them in half, or I could maybe make two slices and create a slightly smaller stick. So I think I'm just going to cut this in half. Like that, right? You have some nice sweet potato sticks. And for this one, let me go ahead and do two slices, kind of coming, sort of creating like a little triangle, angle, like that. And I have 3 sticks right there. So just another idea, and you could roast these sticks in the oven. It would just be another fun way to enjoy a delicious, healthy for you vegetable.